Hey everyone, really exciting news for today's video. The team over at QuickMagic reached out and asked to sponsor this one. And honestly, I couldn't wait to share this workflow with you guys. If you haven't heard of QuickMagic yet, it is an incredibly powerful AI motion capture tool. It lets you take standard video footage like stuff you shoot right on your phone and turn it into high quality 3D animation data. No expensive motion capture suits, no crazy multi-camera setup, just pure AI doing the heavy lifting. I'm about to jump on a PC and walk you through exactly how I use it. But make sure you stick around to the end because I'm also taking that raw Mocap data into Cascadeur to show you my exact steps for cleaning it up and locking that physics-based realism. Let's get into it. I want to give a massive shout out to PDBTKD for this breakdown. Having that 60 FPS footage is a game changer when you're working with motion capture because the AI needs those extra frames to accurately track high-speed movements like this 540 kick. Once I've got the clip into CapCut, I just crop through to find the exact section where the action happens. I use the split tool to isolate just the motion I need, making sure the beginning and end points are clean for the AI to process. By trimming the footage right down to the specific action, I ensure the AI doesn't waste any resources on unnecessary frames, which keeps the workflow efficient. Start by searching for QuickMagic on Google, head over to their sites, and click Login. If you don't have an account yet, just hit Sign Up. Once you're in, take a look around. They've got a ton of tools to play with, but for this video, we're focusing on their AI Mocap. Upload your video, then drag and drop the model you want to use. I'm going with the Unreal Engine 5.6 Manny for this setup. Click Next. I used a 60 FPS video. This is crucial so it matches our source footage frame by frame during the cleanup process. For settings, I'm using the Animation Basic Model 2.0. It offers great precision and stability for complex movements. I've got physical optimization at 4x and we're tracking both full body and hands. Since I'll eventually transfer this to a MetaHuman, I'm making sure it's in a T-pose. Now, we just wait for the generation to finish. Once it's done, click on it, let it load, and there's your animation data. You can download it right here. You'll see an option for 2D refinement. I'm skipping that for now because I prefer doing my final cleanup in Cascadeur, which gives me more control. Speaking of which, if you want to see exactly how I polish this animation, make sure you watch part 2 of this series. Until next time, guys, stay creative.